बाली का सबसे ब्यूटीफुल आइलैंड या सबसे एग्जॉस्टिंग डे ट्रिप। मैं पहुंच गई नूसा पेनिडा एक्सपेक्टिंग पैराडाइज, बट गॉट क्रेजी हीट, डेंजरस क्लिफ्स, इनसेन व्यूज, crystal clear beaches and sunburn for free. Was it actually worth it? Watch till the end because the last beach completely changed the whole trip. बाली आए और नूसा पेनिडा नहीं गए तो ऑनेस्टली क्या ही किया. So today was all about exploring insanely beautiful but equally exhausting Nusa Penida Island. I booked this trip from Klook.com for around 4,000 rupees, which honestly was quite reasonable because it included ferry tickets, island tour, decent lunch, and the guide. My reporting time was around 6 am from a common pickup point in Kuta in a shared cab, which took us to the Sanur harbour. And harbour par pahunchte hi full tourist mode on, with so many people, so much chaos, and a lot of excitement for island hopping. And then comes the best part, the ferry ride to Nusa Penida. And this part was honestly beautiful. Blue water, cool breeze, sunrise vibes, pura aesthetic travel reel material. Ferry ride takes around 30 to 40 minutes depending on the waves. But अगर आपको motion sickness होती है, then good luck because थोड़ा bumpy definitely हो सकता है. फाइनली वी रीच्ड नूसा पेनिडा एंड वहाँ जाके सबको स्मॉल ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया गया, अराउंड 4 to 5 पीपल पर कार डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टूर रूट. You can include snorkeling in your package, but since I'm not a great swimmer, I skipped it. It is recommended for people who can swim well because यहाँ currents काफ़ी strong होते हैं. Our first stop was the Broken Bridge Beach. One thing which no one tells you is कि यहाँ हर स्पॉट पर जाने के लिए काफ़ी वॉक करना पड़ता है एंड रास्ता काफ़ी अनइवन है. सो वेयर कंफर्टेबल फुटवेयर एंड थिंक ट्वाइस इफ यू हैव एल्डरली पीपल और स्मॉल किड्स विद यू. ब्यूटीफुल राइट? ये प्लेस लिटरली एडिटेड लगता है इन रियल लाइफ. अ ह्यूज नेचुरल आर्च विद क्रिस्टल ब्लू वाटर फ्लोइंग इनसाइड. मतलब नेचर रियली शोड ऑफ हियर. Right after that we went to Angel's Billabong. Basically एक natural infinity pool surrounded by rocks. Super pretty for pictures but slippery भी उतना ही. So while taking those cute Instagram photos, जिंदा वापस आना भी important है. But now let's talk about the real villain of the trip, the heat. भाई नूसा पेनिडा की धूप अलग ही लेवल की है. So be careful. Hat mandatory, sunglasses mandatory, sunscreen बार लगाना absolutely mandatory. Important thing to know that no one tells you properly is that this trip is physically exhausting. There is a lot of climbing, walking, stairs, uneven paths. So if you can't walk much or you're traveling with small babies, this may get very difficult. After so much of walking, sweating, and feeling totally exhausted, we finally stopped for lunch, which was included in the package. The food was just about average, but the view from the restaurant was extremely refreshing. After lunch, it was time to head to our next destination, which was the most famous spot of Nusa Penida, the Kelingking Beach, aka the famous dinosaur ya T-Rex cliff. The views from the top are absolutely insane, like postcard beautiful. Now, technically, you can trek all the way down to the beach, but our guides clearly discouraged it because it takes a lot of time and energy. Perfect Instagram pictures के लिए you have to be either very patient or have to pay for the best spot because the place is very crowded. Honest confession, I paid for it. क्योंकि अब इतनी दूर आ गए हैं तो अच्छी पिक्चर्स लेना तो बनता है, राइट? After a few pictures and almost a heat stroke, we headed towards the best part of the trip, the Virgin Beach. And finally, peace. No crazy crowd, no chaos, just crystal clear water, soft sand, and with which we ended our tour on a relaxing note. After all the non-stop heat climbing all day, this place genuinely felt therapeutic. Back to the ferry to Sanur, I was exhausted, sunburnt, dehydrated, but my phone gallery was full of beautiful pictures, amazing views, and some really nice people I met during this trip. So yes, Nusa Penida is stunning, but this is not a relaxing vacation day. The purpose of this vlog was to prepare you for what to expect and go prepared. If you found my vlog helpful, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. See you in the next vlog.